Hi, my name is Michael J, and this is my review of Partner with Anthony, known as PWA 2019. Now, this is a program that I joined, and why I joined this program is that I needed to learn how to cost effectively bring traffic to my business. Now, you may ask, why did not other things work? Well, I've had to work with a zero-sum budget, and I'm talking zero-sum, which provides its own challenges. I do SEO. I've got a commercial cleaning client for 3 years. I have them ranking number 1 for multiple keywords. Lady had to hire 10 people. But the thing with SEO, it takes a long time, minimum 6 to 8 months, and sometimes longer depending on the industry. And I took on this client at a much reduced rate in order to be able to create a portfolio. The other thing is, I went through a divorce. Initially, I used to be in mergers and acquisitions in the transportation industry for the third largest multinational. Then I started my own business and developed that from nothing into a multi-million-dollar business as well. But divorce changes things, and changes things dramatically. And also, business has changed. It's not the same as it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago, or 30 years ago. Traditional business or online business require traffic. I even had an Amazon business. I was manufacturing my own product, fulfillment by Amazon. I was doing great with it. But because my limited budget, there were quality control issues with the manufacturer. I was cutting corners. I knew I was cutting corners. And unfortunately, because of quality control, that caught up with me, and that changed that. The other factor was I befriended a very successful gentleman on online sales, and he helped with traffic. If I didn't have that advantage, it would not have gotten off the ground as quickly as it had. Nonetheless, quality control issues torpedoed that project, and I got back to square one. The thing is, whether you have a retail outlet, you have an online business, you need traffic to that business. You can have the best product or service going, but if people are not aware of that product or service, it means nothing. Won't do anything to your pocketbook, won't provide you with sales. The other factor you must take into consideration is that any business will not survive unless you can put your product or service in front of them. The other advantage you have here with PWA, and this was a surprise to me, is you don't need a product or service to do online sales with this program. And I think that is one of the most important factors that I can think of. If you have a product or service, there's the tools and the skill set to be learned with this program to make you facilitate the nurturing of that business to make it a success. Even if you don't have a product or service and you've wanted to make money online, you can actually make money online without a product or a service. And that's what's rather unique. Nonetheless, I think another important factor is I've always, in my own business, even in transportation, going back 20 years ago, as I was building it up, I could see the future would be online. And one of the, or I should say two of the most important parts of making a successful business was integrity. And that integrity involved two components, and that is honesty and value. I applied that to my business, and if you apply that to any business, you will be a success. And I think the eye-opener for me when I joined up with PWA 2019 was Anthony stressing honesty and value. And once you have those two components, as leaders of what you're doing, no matter what the project may be, you will have a successful business. I've put a link below. Please like, add a comment. I should add that within 2 weeks of starting this program, I got my own first sale. Not enough to buy that house behind me, but enough to buy a coffee at Starbucks. So like below, I put a link below for this program, PWA 2019, Michael J. and PWA 2019. We've partnered together. Any comments, please put comments below. Any questions or concerns as well, and I'll address that. Thank you for your time. Nice meeting you. Hope to talk to you again soon. Ciao for now.